Welcome back to Doomsday Prepper, where we help you prepare for the unexpected. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: the 5 mistakes every prepper makes, even experienced ones. Stick around to learn how to avoid these common pitfalls and ensure you're truly ready for anything. Mistake number 1. Overemphasis on gear over skills. It's easy to get caught up in buying the latest gadgets and gear. We all love shiny new tools, right? But remember, all that equipment won't help if you don't know how to use it. For example, having a high-tech water filter is great, but do you know how to properly set it up and maintain it? Instead of just collecting gear, invest time in learning essential skills. Practice fire starting with different methods, learn basic first aid, and master navigation with a map and compass. These skills can be life-saving, and unlike gear, they can't be lost or broken. Mistake number 2. Neglecting to rotate supplies. Stockpiling food and water is essential, but it's equally important to regularly check and rotate your supplies. Imagine relying on your stash only to find that half of it is expired or spoiled. That's a nightmare scenario. Create a rotation system. Use the first in, first out method to ensure nothing goes to waste. Keep a checklist and regularly inspect your supplies. Not only does this keep your stockpile fresh, but it also gives you peace of mind knowing you're always ready. Mistake number 3. Overpacking your bug-out bag. While it's tempting to prepare for every possible scenario, an overloaded bag can slow you down and cause unnecessary strain. Let's face it, in a high-stress situation, you need to be mobile and efficient. Stick to the essentials. Pack items that serve multiple purposes and prioritize lightweight, high-utility gear. Regularly review your bag's contents and ask yourself, do I really need this? A well-packed bag is a game-changer in an emergency. Mistake number 4. Ignoring physical fitness. Prepping isn't just about having the right supplies, it's also about being physically capable of handling the demands of a survival situation. You might need to hike long distances, carry heavy loads, or climb obstacles. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Focus on cardio, strength training, and flexibility. Even simple activities like walking, jogging, or bodyweight exercises can make a big difference. Remember, your body is your most important tool in a crisis. Mistake number 5. Failing to include family in plans. Your prepping efforts are only as strong as your weakest link. Involving your family in your plans ensures everyone knows what to do and how to use the gear. This is crucial for maintaining calm and efficiency during an emergency. Hold regular family meetings and drills. Teach everyone how to use essential tools and run through different scenarios. Make it a fun and educational experience. The more prepared your family is, the more resilient you'll be as a unit. Those are the 5 mistakes every prepper makes, even experienced ones. Avoiding these pitfalls will make you and your family more prepared and resilient. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Doomsday Prepper for more survival tips and tricks. And remember, it's better to be prepared a year too early than a day too late.